Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machine. Today we're testing this beautiful Breville espresso machine. And let's go ahead and pull a shot. Oops, I'm going to quick double. Now Andy's going to tamp it. Perfect.
And double.
Yep, now we're going to pull a shot. See, we get a nice shot of espresso with good crema. Let's check the tray. Barely any water in the tray, that's the normal amount. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Oh yeah, one more thing. Let's test the steam while we're here. Nice strong steam. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.